arrive in style with this Ram 2020 1500 Bighorn. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 3.92 rear axle ratio, diamond black crystal pearl coat, park sense front rear park assist with STOP, trailer tow group included, trailer brake control add class 4 receiver hitch, black trailer tow power mirrors, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches aluminum chrome clad, WRK, gross vehicle weight, 100 pounds, 115-volt auxiliary power outlet and transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.